Hey guys, so we'll be taking a look at Samsung Galaxy Watch 5. Now you can get this for around $280 in the 40mm size or $310 in the 44mm size, and that's in the US. In Canada you can get it for around $350 in the 40mm size and $390 in the 44mm size. Now, what did I get this for? A pretty good price. So I got a student discount through Samsung SPC/Perkopolis, depending on if your employer has Perkopolis. I also got 50% off for pre-ordering a Galaxy Z Flip 4/Galaxy Z Fold 4. And on top of that, I am trading in my Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 44mm. And with all of that, I'm getting this for $10. So I'm basically paying $10 to upgrade from the Watch 4 44mm to the Watch 5 44mm. Why am I upgrading? Battery life, that's literally the only reason. And it's the only reason really to buy this if you have one of these. Or if you're planning on go to the Pro model. I'm not. The Pro model is too extreme for me, you know. It's bulkier, it's perfect for if you're like into rock climbing and extreme sports and stuff like that. And yes, you get that awesome peace of mind of that battery life. But for me, this is perfectly fine. So we're gonna look at box. It says Galaxy Watch 5. There's a thingy here to like put it on the, you know, on the store rack or whatever. You have the nice watch here, and it's raised up a bit, so that's kind of cool. It says Samsung down here, and on the side we have Samsung Galaxy Watch 5. On this side we have nothing except where it says 44mm. So on the back here we just have like some serial number crap. And something here that says like the maximum watch strap size. So maximum 70mm and the minimum is 50mm. So just, you know, measure your wrist diameter and your watch 44mm case strap size and some Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, GPS stuff, blah, blah, blah. All right, let's open her up. And boom, we got the Watch 5 right here. I actually quite dig this color. Mine is a silver color, my Watch 4. But, you know, I had to get blue for the Watch 5. Come on, I love blue. Anyway, so in here, let's open this up, actually. I believe from down here, usually that's where Samsung puts their stuff. We have here the new charger, which is the puck style charger, but this one is USB-C Type-C. So this watch actually is fast charging. The Watch 4 didn't have that. The Watch 4 used USB Type-A, this Type-C. For me though, it's not really useful. I use a wireless charger. Speaking of a wireless charger, for pre-ordering this, I actually got this as a gift as well. But I have one of these. Actually, I'll go through this real quick. Super fast charging, maximum 15 watts. This is usual serial number crap. Okay, it's maximum fast charging, phone, watch, buds, and has magnetic parts. So when you place your Watch 5 here, it will like magnetize to it, and it's a little bit concave, so it sits flush. The only advantage between this and the model I have, like I got this charger as a gift with my Watch 4 last year. The only difference is that this one has fans built in, so when you're using the 15 watt fast charging that's available on Samsung phones, it will cool the phone more. So for example here, the super fast wireless charging that you have here, this charger will have a fan that spins when you use that, so that's kind of cool. And the charger itself that's included is different too. It's like the newer style Samsung chargers, not the older style ones. So anyway, enough with this charger. So we got the charger in here, and I believe in here we just have the manual, which we'll take a quick look at. So we got a quick start guide, how to access your information, charging your watch, safety stuff. Other side is French because I live in Canada. We don't care about that. And what we are here for, finally, the watch. You know what? There's a bunch of crap here. Let's just clean it all up. All right, there we go. Okay, so here's the watch. Boom. You got this nice, gorgeous blue aluminum frame of this nice blue band. And let's turn it on. It feels pretty okay. Wow, this bulges quite a bit on this actually. I guess that is one design change I immediately noticed here. And here it says 44 millimeters sapphire crystal GPS and all that stuff. All right, okay, this is booting up and doing stuff. And it's asking to connect. So let's fire up my phone here and connect to the Watch 5. Welcome. Get started. And it's complaining that I can't connect to my buds, but we don't care about that. And saying check the number on your watch. I don't have an, oh, okay, there we go. Man, Bluetooth stuff sometimes is really complicated and annoying. And installing software, the app itself is 110 megabytes, so not too big, shouldn't take too terribly long, hopefully. Design-wise, yeah, it looks very similar to the Watch 4. And well, the main difference I'm noticing is this part here is just raised up. Like, yeah, you know, where your sensors and stuff are. And it has a little temperature sensor here as well. So you can measure your temperature when you're sleeping. That's kind of cool. I haven't really looked too deeply into that. It's asking me to send diagnostic data and agreeing to automatic updates. I'm just going to say no to both. Terms of service, agree, getting your watch ready. This might take a bit of time. All right, so I got it all connected up and I went through most of the settings. It's basically identical to the Watch 4, honestly. The only new thing would be the watch faces, which I believe the Watch 4 is getting anyway. So, oh, okay, never mind. There's a nice favorites panel up here. That's kind of cool. So you can add favorites and just swap between them and manage them. And there's most recent ones. I believe some of them might be ones I already downloaded because I restored my backup. So yeah. Oh, let's try this one for example. See how that looks. Oh, it looks pretty cool. All right, what else? Quick panel. Most of these, literally every single one seems to be the same as the last model. Yeah. What I want to check though is there an update for this? Sometimes there's a day one update, but it's not even day one yet, so there probably isn't anything. All right, so there is no update. Okay, that's fine. Enough of the app. Let's look at the watch itself, see if there's any noticeable differences in performance or what. Oh geez, it is just doing stuff in the background and just lagging on camera. Display wise, software wise, it looks pretty similar to the Watch 4 that I have here. In fact, I could compare them head by head, or head to head I should say. Granted, mine has a case on it and and has a custom band. But yes, this is what I meant earlier. Like, you can see clearly this part is like flush, this part's like jetted out. But yeah, oh, even the text on the back got changed. You know, the text here got moved here and sensors are different. So yeah. In fact, if I remove the case from my Watch 4, you can further see how different they look. Excuse any debris or dirt on my Watch 4, but yeah. Even like, I know through the camera it might not be obvious, but yeah, they looks basically identical, both in terms of size and in terms of weight. I know this one weighs more, I believe, so yeah, it does have a bigger battery, which is, yeah, pretty cool. Let's see how it fits though. I don't like the default Samsung band, so I may not enjoy the fit of this. Yeah, it feels a bit comical. Like, I don't like how these just jet out, but you know, you can just replace the band. And yes, I have it on a bit too tight. But yeah, it looks all right. The blue, you know, matches the band and everything. Yeah, pretty cool. Like I said, I only got it for $10. But first impressions wise, it's pretty similar design to this. The main difference is that this part just jets out a bit more. So there's that. What else? It has the same CPU, RAM, storage. Bigger battery though, and you get 1 year longer OS updates. Fast charging battery, temperature sensor, and that's about it. There's not many other I think that's about it for differences between Watch 5 and Watch 4. Oh, and stronger glass too, so you know your glass here will be more durable. But if you're like me and you have a cover on your watch, you aren't really concerned about that anyway. But yeah, that's about it. Will you guys be upgrading from, you know, like a watch, Galaxy Watch 2 Active or Watch 4 to a Watch 5, or will you be staying with whatever you got? I don't know. Let me know in the comments, because yeah, I don't know. Also, I just want to say these look good together. You know, Buds 2 Pro and the Watch 5. Just saying, it all looks good together. All right, and that's about it. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you very shortly in another video.